Hey everybody, what's up? Right, okay, today, if you didn't know, by my Monster, like my yesterday video on Monster sign up stage free, today is Sunday, right? Okay, well, I'm gonna, Monster Fantastic? I'm actually shocked he won, because I was looking at my comments, he said, yes, I won. So if he wants, and I hope so, he wants to, if you watch this video, if he wants, he can pick a truck if he wants. He can join in if he wants again, because he might get a chance to win again. Open this. Okay. Let's do 8. I don't know. This is number 4. I'm gonna do 18. Okay, let me find this truck. Okay. I'm gonna show you this way. I'm gonna look. You can't look. That was broken. Okay. Here's the full. Dang, it's hard to see in the bright. I might put it in the dark so you can easily see them. Wait, let me count. So I got these 8 trucks, extra 8 trucks. 8. 4, 8, 20, 16, 17, 18. Okay. I might get 4, then 4, then 4, then 4, and add extra 2. Cause wait, let me count again. 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 17. Yep, that was right. We'll get 4 extra from here. Okay, so how you guys doing? I know. So since 4 starts, I'm gonna tell you the date in the end. I might do it today, but I don't know. But, okay, guys. Okay, next you can be Barbarian, Monster Rottweiler, Toro Loco, or Zombie Hunter. So if you want, maybe if I get to sizes 10 or something, or 20, I might add some new ones, like brand new ones, the actual cool ones. Fun. Because I made it like, if you didn't know, I like to make custom trucks. I made a custom truck. It's a little wreck. I call this truck McDonald's, if you want to be in him. So this is the extra 4. Bonk. Bop. Bop. Okay. You're going to be in the new Titan, Batman, and much more for these damn 3. This one was the winner. That was Monster Fantastic. The Monster Fantastic, if you watch this, we got another Titan if you want to join that one. So that's 12. So we need another 4 more. An extra 4 more is coming from in here. If I find them quick. Okay, that's pretty loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4. Okay, then we need 2 extras. I'm gonna get the 2 extras in there. Okay. You'd rather be a Fullboar. You'd rather be in Airborne. Why is it Airborne? I'm gonna call it Airborne Ranger. You wanna be Bad Habit, or you need Bone Shaker. So that's extras. Okay, we need extra 2s. I'm not gonna put them inside because a lot of trucks are inside. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring the 2s from here. Okay. Two, 1. Oh, sorry, that was wrong. Lucky, we're having Aftershock, and we're gonna bring a new truck, Bigfoot. You what? You didn't know I have a Bigfoot? I have a blue one somewhere. So you can be in the black one. See, here's the truck. Wait, hang on. 4, 18, 12, 16, 78. Yep, that's waiting. Okay, if you want, you can be in Team Hot Wheels Firestorm, Black Ops, Titan, Team Hot Wheels Firestorm Normal, Crushstation, Barbarian, Monster Mutt Rottweiler, Toro Loco, Zombie Hunter, McDonald, the new Titan, the Lost Artist Free Champion, Batman, Monster Mutt, Fullboar, Airborne Ranger, Bad Habit, Bone Shaker, Aftershock, or Bigfoot. You can be in any of these 18 trucks, I mean. And also, I know, all my setup's broken. I need to fix up my setup. Guys, I need to fix up my setup. You know what I should do? I should put the winner up here so we know who's the last time winner. But the winner will go join in. See? Good luck for Sciences 4. And the date, you want to know? It's tomorrow. When I said Sciences 3, oh, I meant to start about Monday. Tomorrow, you can join in. Or if I... Okay? Don't forget, I'm pretty sure you can join. Okay? Like, I think it could be Monday or Tuesday, because I always give you enough days, time. But I don't know what's the time, so you might get enough time. And join in the sign-up series. Okay? And Monster and Fantastic, here's the 18 trucks you want to be in. See you guys later. Peace.